In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete breakdown of all of the tools that I use on my website. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of solopreneurs.sidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easier. So if that is something that you need help with, make sure that you hit subscribe down below and that you hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so I wanted to give you a complete breakdown of all of the tools that I use. I love seeing what tools other people are using, so hopefully you find this interesting and it gives you some insights into what tools you want to use on your website. So there's actually 8 tools on the list, so let's dive in right now. Alright, so the first tool on my list is the most important of them all, and that is Squarespace. So Squarespace is the actual platform or website builder that I used to create my website, but it's also responsible for a few other important parts. It allows me to build out all of my pages, to share my content, and it has a built-in blog functionality, so this is actually what I use for blogging as well. So I did purchase my domain elsewhere, but you can actually purchase your domain right from Squarespace itself, so you can give that a check. Squarespace also covers your domain. And if you're like, what is a domain? That is the custom URL, that's your business name in front of the .com that you will send people to find your website. Alright, so tool number 2 is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is the way that I build my email list. So I add sign-up forms on my website that people can sign up to hear more from me, and ConvertKit is also how I email people after the fact. It's super important that you have some form of email marketing attached to your website, and this is the #1 way that I make money online. Here's the thing though, you actually don't need to use ConvertKit, although I love it, and if you are more advanced, you still might want to go with the software. But Squarespace recently added email marketing to their platform, so you can use Squarespace for that as well. I actually added this in as a bonus for all people that join my online course, Website That Wows. I now have an email automation with Squarespace built into the program. The next tool I use probably every single day, and that is Canva. Canva is what allows me to personalize my website and add all of those cute little doodles that you see everywhere. The fourth tool is Teachable. So this is how I actually deliver my online course. If you didn't know, I have an online course called Website That Wows, and this is the way that I primarily work with people online. However, you do not need to use a tool like Teachable if you're just getting started. You can actually use Squarespace for this to accept payments for your course and to deliver the materials. But if you would like some more advanced features like having an affiliate system and a unique password for each one of your users, then you are going to want to go with Teachable. Tech changes so quickly though, so there's a good chance that will change rather soon. I promise to keep you posted. The next tool that I have on my website is Facebook Live Chat. So this is actually just something that comes with your Facebook business page and is really easy to add to your website. I have a video on that, so I will link to that below. This is really great to have because it allows me to answer any questions that someone may have before joining me for Website That Wows. Next is a question I get asked all the time, and it's, can you add a sidebar to a Squarespace template that doesn't have one built in? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can. There's this awesome sidebar plugin created by sqspthemes.com, which allows you to add a sidebar to any Squarespace template. I have a link down below for 20% off, so make sure that you check that out. The next tool is called Shareholic. So Squarespace actually has built-in share buttons for all of your blog posts, but I wanted some at the top and at the bottom of my post. So I used the plugin Shareholic, which allows me to add these cute little share buttons to the bottom of every post. And finally, the last and actually most advanced tool on this list is deadline funnels. As I said, this is the most advanced of the list, but this is what allows me to add in unique specials and offers for subscribers, so definitely go check out my website, sign up for some things, and you might see one. This is not a tool that I would recommend to beginners. I think if you're first getting started, you just need to worry about setting up a beautiful professional website and hooking up your email marketing. You can worry about more advanced funnels later. Alright guys, that's it for this video. That was a complete list of all of the tools that I use on my website. I hope that you found this interesting. I'd love to hear from you which tools you are excited to use on your website. So definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you would like my help building your website, you can try out my course completely free. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye!